Today we're taking a look at a slightly older lens, the Samyang 24mm f2.8 for Sony full frame. If you can tell from its appearance, the whole exterior except the mount is made out of plastic. But it's incredibly light. It also comes with a plastic lens hood that is a little tight to lock in, which is good since it prevents it from falling off. The focus ring is a focus-by-wire mechanism, and it doesn't feature a aperture ring. 24mm for a lens is pretty wide already. Usually I see 35 and 50mm for budget lenses on full frame. But there's something wrong with my copy of the lens though. Corners are horrendous at f2.8 and it doesn't get better until f8 and onwards. It could be severe spherical aberration on just my copy. For now, here's some photos taken at f8 where you can still notice the blurry edges. Now time for autofocus testing. Based on my experience, single shot autofocus performs a little faster compared to continuous autofocus. Now for lens testing. As I was saying earlier, f2.8 is really blurry on the edges as you can see. It doesn't fix up until f8 and it's completely reasonable at around f12. But I don't think you'd be stopping that far to begin with. Anyway, here's the full test chart. I think the lens is not bad for its price. If you're planning on using it on APS-C, there should be almost no vignetting and the bad corners I was talking about aren't going to be visible. I probably just have a bad copy is all. Nevertheless, the lens was fun to play around with as long as you don't look at the corners, or as long as you remember to stop down up to f12 or f14, you will be fine. That's all. Thanks for watching. Isn't it a bit unfair for me to make a review on a bad copy of a lens? Don't know.